Hello, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to initiate a multiple database search using SJSU Student Access to the King Library resources. You'll begin by navigating to the King Library homepage. This is the same page that can be accessed from the link in your class on Canvas or the one I've provided in the written instructions. You can also find a link to it in the description of the video below. From here, you will select the Articles and Databases link, and it'll take you to a master list of all of the databases that are available for you to search. These are organized alphabetically, so you can click on the P for PsycInfo. Keep in mind that PsycInfo is also sometimes called APA PsycInfo. In this list, it's listed under P. From here, you'll scroll down until you find PsycInfo. When you click the link, you will be prompted to log in. You can log in using your student credentials. Here you have launched a search of APA PsycInfo. Click the Choose Databases link located here just above the search fields, and you will be prompted to select databases from a list. You see that APA PsycInfo has already been selected. You can add Academic Search Complete by checking the box for it. Click OK, and you are now searching two databases. You can double check by clicking Show All, and it'll show you both databases that are being searched there. And that's it, you're ready to go. Keep in mind that databases don't always use the same subject terms to describe topics. Please let me know if this is something that you would like to delve into.